What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing extreme slime makeovers, and let's get right into the video. So on to makeover number 1. We have this green clear slime. So guys, I actually reviewed this slime in a video. If you guys want to check out the review, then be sure to click the I button in the top right corner to check out the video in which I reviewed this slime. And it is a nice slime already, but we're gonna turn this into something even better. Guys, volume up for 8%. So guys, this is what the slime looks like right now. This is still not the finished makeover, but we're still gonna mix the beads into the slime, and it is a very nice crunchy slime. If you guys are wondering what happens if we add too much beads into slime, then be sure to click the I button in the top right corner to check out the video in which I added too much beads into slime. And it is very crunchy and good for bubble pops. So guys, this is the finished slime, and now we're gonna play with the slime. The slime is so beautiful, and this is my favorite slime I ever make over. So guys, this is after the slime has been activated. I got this slime from DIY Corner, and I dyed it with paint. This was a chocolate milk slime, but now we're turning it into a hot chocolate slime. And if you guys wonder what happens if we add too much paint into slime, then be sure to click the I button at the top right corner to check out the video in which I added too much paint into slime. And this is such a glossy glaze slime, and I really am in love with the texture. I saved some of the slime which I did not color, and now we're gonna use that. This is the finished slime. Now we're playing with the slime. Sorry for not uploading, guys. I was actually traveling, that's why I was not uploading. So guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video, and hit the like button and comment